Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. First of all, the name of Allah. Allah is merciful for all. Welcome to Azad Jammu Kashmir Textbook Board. In this video lecture, we will discuss about Computer Sciences of Class 6, Unit number 2, ICT devices. Now, today we complete the exercise. पिछले प्रीवियस वीडियो लेक्चर्स में हमने अपना चैप्टर डन किया, आज हम इसकी एक्सरसाइज सॉल्व करेंगे। ओके डियर स्टूडेंट्स, तो चलते हैं अपनी एक्सरसाइज को सॉल्व करने की तरफ। डियर स्टूडेंट, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, सर्कल द करेक्ट ऑप्शन। द कंप्यूटर स्टोर द डाटा इन द माउस, कीबोर्ड, हार्ड डिस्क, प्रिंटर। ऑप्शन सी, हार्ड डिस्क। सेकेंड, व्हाट टाइप ऑफ डिवाइसेस इन द हार्ड डिस्क? इनपुट, आउटपुट, प्रोसेसिंग, स्टोरेज। Storage. Option D. The monitor is A option, an input device, an output device, a processing device, a storage device. A monitor is output device. Option B. Question 4. F2, F3 key is called alphabetic, control, function, escape keys. Option 1, alphabetic keys. An output through a printer is called software, soft copy, hard copy, and hardware. Option C, hard copy. Hardware refers to the physical part, touchable part, material part, all above. All above. Option D. The keyboard is device, input, output, processing, none of above. First option, input. We can record the sound and talk to any with the help of mouse, printer, scanner, microphone. Option D, microphone. Touch screen monitor is an input device, an output device, both input and output device, none of them. Option C, input and output device. Type of hard disk is internal storage, external storage, solid state drive, all above. All above it. Now student, question number 2, match the column. The first column is hardware and match by we can see and touch. Second, card reader, sensor. कॉलम बी में देखिएगा, ब्रॉड कार्ड रीडर से सेंसर। सॉफ्टवेयर कॉलम बी में परफॉर्म स्पेसिफिक टास्क। रोम, परमानेंट मेमोरी। ऑप्टिकल डिस्क, CD, DVD and Blu-ray disc. Dear student, question number 3. First question, how is the hardware different from software? Now open the page number 13 and then answer is, the term hardware refer to physical components that we can see and touch. Hardware include processor, hard disk, compact disk, flash drive, RAM and motherboard. Next, software. The software is instruction which perform the specific task. It tells computer how to operate the system. Second question, in how many categories can you divide hardware components of the computer? Name them. Dear student, हम इसमें सिर्फ नाम लिखेंगे। Open the page number 14. Component of hardware, just name. इनपुट डिवाइस, मेमोरी, आउटपुट डिवाइस एंड स्टोरेज। सबसे पहले हम लिखेंगे दे आर 4, इनपुट डिवाइस, मेमोरी, आउटपुट डिवाइस एंड स्टोरेज। डियर स्टूडेंट्स, क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन इनपुट एंड आउटपुट? डियर स्टूडेंट्स, ओपन द पेज नंबर 14 एंड द आंसर इज, एनी डिवाइस दैट इज यूज एंटर डाटा into computer is called in an input device. The example of this is keyboard. This is called input device. Now open the page number 16. The answer of question number 3 is output device. Difference between input and output devices and output devices. The result obtained from a computer after processing is called output devices. And the example of output devices is monitor. Now student, we check the question number 4. List 5 input and 5 output devices. Dear student, come back to page number 14 and check the answer. Input device's name is keyboard, mouse, scanner, keyboard, mouse, scanner, microphone, digital camera. These are input devices. Dear students, open the page number 16 and write the name of output devices is monitor, speaker, printer, projector. Okay student, come back for the next question. What is difference between data and information? What is difference between data and information? Dear student, open the page number 19 and check the answer. Data. Data refers to raw fact that have no specific meaning. The data is based on information. Data is not enough to make a decision. Next slide for information. Information refers to processed data that has a purpose and meaning. Information is depend on data. Information is organized. Now dear students, check the next question. Describe RAM and ROM. Describe RAM and ROM. Dear student, open the page number 17 and check the answer. RAM. Difference between RAM and ROM. Check the fact about ROM and check the fact about RAM. The content of ROM can be read-only. ROM is a permanent storage device. The components stored in ROM can never be changed. These are the facts of ROM. Now we check the fact of RAM. The content of RAM can be read and write as well. RAM is the temporary storage device. The content stored in RAM can be changed if needed. Now students, come check for next question. How many types of hard drives are three? Write a note. Open the page number 18 and see the hard disk types. First internal, second external, third solid state drive SSD. Now internal hard disk is fixed in a system unit. This is the main storage device of the computer. External hard disk work like a internal hard disk. It is connected to the computer by a USB port like a flash drive and it is easy to remove. SSD, solid state drive. SSD is short of solid state drive, perform the same basic functions as a hard drive. SSD are significantly faster than other. Next students, come back and check the next question. What is the difference between memory and storage? Student, kindly open the page of 17 and check the answer. Memory. Computer memory is a hard device that you store information immediately use. There are two types. First is ROM and second is RAM. Check the one fact. The content of ROM can be readable. Check the one fact of RAM. The content of RAM can be read and write well. Now we check storage device. A storage device is the hard component. It is used to store data and information. There are four types. First hard disk, second optic disk, third flash drive, fourth cloud storage. Now come for the last question. Explain the working computer in your own word. Please dear students, we write in own words, but you open the page number 20 and check it. Working of a computer system in the four part: input, processor, output and storage. Page number 19. Work of a computer system. First, the computer process work through the following stages: input, processing, output and storage. Input. To do something on computer, we provide instructions of the computer. These instruction is called input. Next one is processing. The computer has a processor. It called central processing unit, means CPU. After receiving input from, they convert in output. Next, storage. The storage operations allows us to store our data, in the certain folder on the hard disk. Output device, in this stage we get the result in your described form. Now we create a PICS and write it input, output, input, processor, output and storage device कि स्टूडेंट हम एक एक पिक बनाएंगे. नाउ स्टूडेंट, हमने यूनिट नंबर 2 ICT डिवाइसेस की एक्सरसाइज को अच्छे से देखा. हम उम्मीद करते हैं कि ये एक्सरसाइज आपको बहुत अच्छे से समझ आ गई होगी. मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो लेक्चर में. तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज. टेक केयर.